Why do I love riding an ATV? That's not an easy question to answer if you've never left the pavement. For me, an ATV is more than just a machine. It's a ticket to places most people will never see. The moment I leave the road behind and head into the woods, it's like the rest of the world fades away. The phone stops mattering. Deadlines don't matter. The endless stream of news and everyday stress disappears. What's left is nature, the quiet, and the trail ahead. I love exploring. I love finding out what's around the next corner, beyond the next hill, or at the end of a forest trail that few people ever travel. Every season has something special to offer. Spring is one of my favorites. Everything comes back to life after winter. The forests turn green, the streams run full, and every ride feels like you're watching nature wake up again. And that's exactly why I love filming these rides. Not to show off, not to prove anything, and not to show how capable my ATV is. I do it because I want to capture the beauty of the places I visit. A lot of times I'll stop, shut off the ATV, and just sit there for a few minutes taking it all in. Sometimes it's a view from a mountain ridge. Sometimes it's a small clearing deep in the woods. Sometimes it's a sunset that only lasts a few minutes before it's gone. Those are the moments that are hard to put into words. Of course, riding an ATV comes with share of adventure. Mud, rocks, steep climbs, descents, and unpredictable terrain are all part of the experience. But that's not what keeps bringing me back. What keeps bringing me back is a feeling of freedom. The feeling that there are still places where you can be alone with your thoughts and slow life down for a while. But with that freedom comes responsibility. I think those of us who ride ATVs and other off-road vehicles need to understand that our behavior shapes how people see our community. If we don't respect nature, if we leave trash behind, damage trails, ride where we shouldn't, or create unnecessary conflicts with other people enjoying the outdoors, we're hurting the future of a hobby we all love. In many countries, including Austria, Slovenia, and Germany, off-road riding is already heavily restricted. And in many areas, it's simply not allowed at all. I'd hate to see that happen here. So let's enjoy the outdoors, but let's also protect it. Because if we want future generations to have the same opportunity to explore, ride, and experience these incredible places, we need to show that we're part of nature, not a threat to it. See you on the trail. Stay safe and respect the land.